Hi, welcome to this Learning Resources focus on the TIS Staff Wiki. This is a quick tutorial that will demonstrate how to use the Destiny program. Destiny is simply a library and learning resources management system, and the emphasis is on learning resources. So not only can you use Destiny to locate library books, but also things like textbooks, class sets of novels, DVDs, and other audiovisual resources. Now it's available to staff, students, and parents as a web-based OPAC or online public access catalog. There's a couple ways that you can access Destiny from your computer, either here at the school or remotely at home as well. On the TIS website, that's a school website, there's a link called Quick Links, and under Quick Links, something called Resource Sites, and then Library Destiny. But for staff here at the school, the more likely way that you would access Destiny is through the Staff Wiki, which you see on your screen right now. You may have noticed a link at the top of the screen, and I will go up and highlight that link right now so that you will see it, called TIS Destiny. By simply clicking on this link, it provides you access to a search screen here at the school, which allows you to look up the various learning resources that are available here to you at TIS. So let's use a couple of real quick examples to show you how to use Destiny. And we'll make these real world examples so that hopefully they're going to make sense to you. Now on this home screen that you see, this search screen for Destiny, you can search by author, you can search by title, you can search by subject, but probably the most common way for you to search is by keywords, and it will normally give you the greatest number of hits or identify the greatest number of resources related to your search term. Let's be specific here and use an example. Let's say Dan Dontamont is going to do a science assignment with his class, and his assignment is going to be on the topic of electricity. So if you were to enter in that keyword and do a keyword search in Destiny, it will return all of the resources which are available here at TIS for both staff use and student use here at the school. Now, to interpret this information, obviously what you can identify is the title of the resource, and then a call number is provided that indicates where the resource is found. A P before the call number indicates that it is in the primary library, and an S before the call number would indicate that it is in the secondary library. So P537 is primary, S537 is secondary location. Now, there's other ways that you can use this program to look for information as well. What about materials to support your teaching in the classroom? Well, if we were to do a keyword search in Destiny on DVDs and enter that in and complete a keyword search, Destiny will indicate all of the DVD resources which are available to you here at TIS. Again, the call number will indicate its location, so an S before a call number indicates that this DVD is available in the secondary library. And what you'll notice here is that there are 406 DVD resources available here at TIS. So that's another use of Destiny to locate resources here at the school. But you're not restricted to just learning resources here at TIS. Let's say that Janice Picard in her English or Language Arts class is going to do a teaching unit on Macbeth. Well, if Janice enters in her search term Macbeth, does a keyword search, she'll identify that there are 4 resources, including DVDs, available for her class and for herself in teaching the unit on Macbeth. But Janice might try what is called a Destiny Quest from this menu on the left-hand side of your page. In doing a Destiny Quest, what Janice is going to find are the resources available on the internet. So once she has entered in her search term, Macbeth, she does a Destiny quest, and here's what the results look like. It begins to return materials, not only available here at the school, but also those resources which are available on the internet. So when you click on the link websites, up come all the links on the internet. Now, the great thing about this is that these resources are safe resources. They've been identified by educators to support the particular teaching unit that you are doing. Not only do you get a list, and by clicking on each one of these links, you open that link. You can see as I point my cursor at each one of these resources, information comes up on each one of them. But you can also drag and drop these resources, as I'll do right here, into something which is called My List, and you can then print off a list of resources for your teaching unit that you can enter with your lesson plans for that particular unit that you are teaching. One last example using Destiny to locate materials here at the school. We're going to go back to our search screen, and in this particular instance, in Destiny, we want to find out, are there any resources here that would help me do professional reading at the school? Teachers are going to have to complete a professional growth plan at TIS. And if we're interested in finding what resources are available to help us complete those professional growth plans, here's what we can do. If we go up and click on this link at the top of the screen called Number, it changes the screen and allows you to do a search by call number. Now, teacher professional resources at TIS begin with that particular prefix, STR, indicating that it's secondary and a teacher resource. And by clicking on that call number, what you will get is a return of all of the professional resources available in the professional resource collection here at TIS. And right up here you can see that there are 260 titles in those professional library located at the secondary library, second floor at TIS. So there are some very useful, hopefully for staff, resources and a method to search here at TIS for materials that might be of use to you. So Destiny Quest is hopefully a visually engaging library search interface, and it's basically designed to appeal to all 21st century learners, be they teachers or students here at TIS.